First pick Type tool. Type the text here. Scale the text like this. I am using this font. Select the text and go to Object, Expand. Click OK. Right-click, Ungroup. Now we can select the letters one by one. Grab Pen tool and draw as I am drawing. Now pick Selection tool. Select this shape and change the color. Right-click, Arrange, Bring to Front. Now select both and go to Pathfinder and select -front. OK. Now pick Pen tool and draw a shape like this. OK. Now grab Selection tool and change the color of that shape. Delete the R letter. Now select this shape. Go to Edit, Copy. Again go to Edit, Paste in front. Now select both and go to Pathfinder and select -front. Use arrow keys to move the O letter. OK. Press Ctrl+R to show rulers. Add a guideline like this. Lower the size of the letter like this. Now OK. Select this letter. Now open Gradient Palette. Go to Window, Gradient. Select this letter and click on Gradient slider. Double-click on this point and change colors to CMYK. Change cyan value to 100. Now double-click on this point and change colors to CMYK. Change cyan value to 100 and magenta value to 80. Double-click on this point and change cyan value to 0 and magenta value to 100. OK. Now select the shape and pick Gradient tool. Now draw like this. Do the same thing to other shapes. I am going to adjust points of this shape. Okay. Now our logo is ready. Let's add it to the logo mockup. Before that, I am going to export this file. Now OK. Cool. So if you like this tutorial, hit like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.